Hello, 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 everybody. This is Dr. Sneaver Early, your craft doctor, and I'm back with the Crafter's Companion Ultimate Layout Ocean Breeze. I still had 5 cards to do in this book, and so I decided to just do them all at one time because I think it would just finish off this series so I can move on to um, the 3 boxes that I have sitting in the wings. So let's see which one is this one. This one has the anchor. So this is number 12. So we're going to do 12. And for these, it said 6x6 card base. But if you look at this, there's no way that this could be a 6x6 card. Uh, because of the dimensions, just looking at this part here. There's no way this could be 6x6 with that small die. So actually, I made them 3x3, and it worked out like that. So I cut 3x3 card bases, and all of these are just really quick put together type of things. Let me move in a little closer. I think that'll work. So I stamped the sentiment from the stamp set on here, and I cut a piece of ribbon from um, the ribbon to put right on the edge, right like that. Okay, so first things first, let us put, and another reason why I decided to do these all together is because they're really super quick to do. So it would be like 2 minutes per each one, basically. Okay, so now we got that on the side like that. And I did not color in these because I wanted to show you how quickly that you could just add some coloring to your pieces and get it done, as it were. Okay, so then this piece, I'm just adding some pop dots on it, and because it's going to be twisted, and I wanted to pop it up in the process. Okay, so we're going to put that right on there, and literally, it's history. That's all we're doing. That go there. And this go here. Voila, card. That's all it was. Okay. So then next we're going to do number 11. And so this is what I was talking about. There's no way that this was not proportionate to 3x3. Oh, you can't even see that. See how that works right there? That works perfectly to 3x3. Okay. Okay. So I just cut and that's just so close. I keep doing that, pushing that up. Forgot I'm zoomed out. See, that's so close to it that I just decided to do it. And this is cut at 2 7/8 by 2 1/2, 5/8. And so then I took this piece and matted. It's a matte layer for here. And just going to put this right on here. And then I'm just going to put this directly on this card base. Like that. And then this piece goes right here. And then literally just to color this in is uber quick. See that? Super quick. Okay, and then we have the anchor. I'm going to put the anchor right there. And I made a little bow. And just put a little tape on the bow. And it goes right there. And I left the tails a little long so that when I put it on there, I could go in and cut them off. And there you go. That's number 11. All of 3 or so minutes apiece. Okay. And now we're on to number 13 or so. Let's see. Which one is this one? This one is number 15. Sorry for doing them out of order. I'm just pulling them out. And so we're going to do the same thing to our little starfish. For this one, I did come very close in using all of the papers, but I still have a lot of paper left over. So you're going to have a lot of paper left over to do many projects. The paper kits are very generous with the supplies in them. So what I'm going to do is, what I did was I put the papers up so that I can use them when I do something with this again. Okay, so for this one, I took a brick embossing folder, and this is 4x6 card base, and I embossed this piece here with the brick pattern just to give it a little bit of extra something. Okay, I can see this gun is going to be out of tape soon. So I always try to put a little extra tape because of the embossing part. I love that brick pattern. Isn't that cute? Okay. And then I did not do that stitch work because I added the brick pattern. I knew it. Okay. This is the reason why I keep 2 guns. And so after this video, I will load up this one. So for this, what I did was I took my white gel pen and I put dots around the edges. I thought that would make more sense than going across, because this piece that I picked had them going that way. So that's why I did that. Okay. And we just put it down right there. And so look how quick and simple these cards are. Literally, it takes me more time to choose what paper I'm going to use. Whoa. Than me actually doing the cards. Literally. And because I didn't really know who I was going to give this one to, I left it blank. But my son and my brother are both Navy men. And so it'll be between one of the two of them. I just redid my son's room. He has been away. And so we're surprising him with a makeover, room makeover. And so I might use that one um, to say that I gave him a room makeover, that we have a surprise when he walk in the house. We like to do little things like that for him. He's a good young man. Well, he's almost 30, but he is really a good son. Okay, this is number 13, and these are the ones that I chose for that. And so this is really all just matting and layering. Very good. Here we go. Okay, and this is also a 4x6 card also. Okay, so the way the layout for this is, it's like this. And so this goes here. And then we have the sentiment, live life to the fullest. It's to the full. And it should say fullest, which would make more sense to me. But okay. But maybe that's some kind of Navy talk. I don't know. I'm former Army, so I don't know anything about Navy talk. I just like lighthouses. Okay. Hey, my little thingy here is crooked. And, oh, maybe because it hasn't been down long. Because this tape from Uline, the industrial tape from Uline, is very strong. It like has quick grip. It has really quick grip. I cut this one out, leaf out off of a wood pattern. I thought that would be cute. And so I'm going to put it underneath as opposed to on top. And then my little lighthouse will get a different color than the other ones, only because of the coloring that's in there. Okay, and then I'm going to pop this one up. I want to cut this. Okay. I didn't want to add the red because I made my little boat red. And so see how unproportionate this is? That's not 4x6. We're going to put this down here. And then our little boat is going to go right here. Okay, that's our next one. And we only have number 14 left. So I appreciate you sticking in with me with my designing. Because that's basically what this was. Just watching me put these cards together. I really like to um, finish a series. So, okay. So this one is a different embossing folder. I got this. I think this is an embossing folder from Crafter's Companion. And I thought it would be cute on this because of the rope. And this is I think a 5x7 embossing folder. It's like a beehive type thing. And I have all sizes of embossing folders, 6x6, 5x7s, 4x4s, not fours, 4¼ by 5½ ones, that size, and those little mini ones. So I thought that would be cute. I thought this would really work with that to go across like that. So we're just going to put that right there, like that. I think that's really cute. Okay, and then we have the life is a journey, enjoy every moment sentiment. And I'm just going to give this little piece some color. And you know, I like to take my pieces, and this is what I do when I give it color around the edges. Or I'll take my ink pad and do the same thing. And this kind of helps you not have to put that extra matte layer if you don't want to. Okay. And foam pads. And this is going to go right in the middle-ish. I'm putting it a little bit lower, mainly because this anchor is going to go, it's supposed to go on the top of it, over to the side. And so I'm putting that right there, a little off center. That's not an anchor, that's a steering wheel. And the anchor is right here. Sorry, Navy people, but I'm Army. I'm Army, not Navy. And this is our little starfish. Okay. I don't think it's sticking because it's wet. And that's okay. I'll just put a little glue on there. And that'll go right there. And I didn't use any bling, as you can tell, with any of these because these are more for men. And so I didn't want to put any bling. And so there we go. So now we have, let's back it up. Oh, I'm sorry. Let's back this up. And we have number 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. I think they turned out pretty cute. What you think? This will make a nice like grouping Like if you need to give away a set of cards, or if you were giving gifts, this would be a nice set of cards to put to give away. So, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you all, and I will see you in the next one.